Solana's ecosystem has seen quite a bit of volatility over the past 2 weeks. At one point, it was trading over $200 per coin, and currently it's less than $150 per coin. But we've continued to see a lot of projects launch successfully on Solana's ecosystem. We're seeing that currently the Solana TVL is right around that $3.4 to $3.5 billion mark. And despite all the volatility in the market, despite the recent market correction we've seen, we've continued to see projects raise millions and millions of dollars. One project that did recently take part in their pre-sale of is with Sloth. This token right here, it's called Slothana, and the symbol is SLOTH, just Sloth. You can see that they have around 19,000 followers on Twitter, and if you go ahead and look on their website, you can see that one SOL is currently equal to 10,000 Sloth. Current raise is at $10 million plus, and it's very simple to go about actually taking part in this pre-sale. You just go ahead, connect Phantom, Solflare, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. You can go ahead, click how many SOL you want to enter, and you click buy now. You also can just go ahead and send SOL to the wallet address directly from a decentralized wallet. That is personally what I did. I looked on their Twitter. That's how I found them, and I did send it to their Solana wallet. So this is a product that I think has a lot of potential for a few main reasons. So first of all, you look at it, it is a sloth. The reason why this is important is because Slothana has a completely new approach to Solana meme coins. If you go ahead and search up Solana meme coins, CoinGecko, you can go ahead and see that there are a number of different categories of Solana meme coins. And what I mean by this is that there are a number of dog meme coins. There's a number of cat meme coins. There's a number of, really those are the two main categories, but then there's others that are sort of mimicking Pepe. Dogs are the biggest meme coins by far. Cats, there's a ton of them, but there really aren't any sloth meme coins out there. That's something that's important because ultimately Slothana is trying to create an entire new category of meme coins. So I think if this were to catch on, it would have a really big chance of doing extremely well in the bull market because it's not oversaturated. We haven't seen dozens of other sloth tokens launch. We haven't seen dozens of other projects like this launch. This is really the first of its kind, and it can carve out a way and a path for it to be the first of its kind in the Solana ecosystem. And really, for that matter, all ecosystems. Like Ethereum doesn't have really any big sloth tokens. Base doesn't have any big ones. Solana, this could be the first one. So it says ultimately join Slothana's journey from leafy lounges to crypto riches. Pre-sales happening now. It says embrace the sloth life. Let your soul soar with Slothana. Pre-sale spots are limited. And from 420 to 420 million with Solana dive into the sloth pre-sale. So it says how to buy. Pretty simple. We already talked about this, but the way to actually buy it is you just can do it in two different ways. You could send it to the wallet address, or you could participate directly on their website. Other thing which they talk about a little bit lower is how you're actually going to receive your tokens, because one of the biggest questions in all of these pre-sales is, how do you actually get your tokens? Are you able to claim them right away? Do you have to wait till after the pre-sale ends? And with this token in particular, it says, look, tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after the pre-sale completes. Dates is TBC. So ultimately on their Twitter, they're going to come out and tell you when they have their official launch taking place. And the thing about their Twitter is that they continue to get a ton of engagement with like 160,000 views on this post, 183,000 views on this post. Scroll down a bit further, you can see 200,000 views, 130,000 views. They continue to get a ton of support on all of their posts, and that's something that is very cool and important in my opinion, because one of the biggest things about any meme coin is having that strong community, and it looks like that is exactly what they have over on their Twitter. Next thing on their FAQ section says, keep an eye on your initial wallet for the arrival of Sloth. Follow our Twitter for further announcements. So again, like I said, with their pre-sale, it's going to be officially announced when it's complete on their Twitter. Currently, it says there's 12 days, 12 hours, 30 minutes, and 10 seconds left until the pre-sale ends, and currently one SOL is equal to 10,000 sloth. So what's important about that is that this is really going to be the best price that you could get into sloth, because of the fact that when it launches, it's going to have a much higher price than where it's currently at. You guys know how these pre-sales work. You know what we've talked about in the past, that a lot of these products do 10, 20, 30x on the day of launch. Obviously, not all of them do that, but the ones that are successful make you a ton of money money on the day of launch, especially if you get in during the pre-sale. So you can see that this project has a ton of support over on Twitter, and that's something that I really like about it as well. Like I said, it has 19.3 thousand followers on Twitter, and it's just been continuing to grow. It's been gaining, a ton of views on every post, and this is exactly what you want to see. The last thing I do want to go over is just going to be with Solana meme coins in general, because one thing that's important about Solana meme coins is that, like I said, Dog with Hat has skyrocketed to become the largest Solana meme coin by far. But right now, there is no other Solana meme coin that has over $1 billion market cap, and that's pretty important because there, in previous bull markets, have been dozens and dozens of projects with over $1 billion market cap, specifically meme coins with over $1 billion market cap. So seeing that right now there's only one Solana meme coin with over $1 billion market cap is pretty important in my opinion, because like I said, Slothana being its own new category, being a sloth, also combining the fact that they've already raised $10 million, and also with the fact that they have a ton of engagement on Twitter, I think all of these things could make it that Slothana is the next $1 billion Solana meme coin. We did see Bonk surpass $1 billion market cap. It looks like, there's a couple other projects that have a real potential as well. Like Mew is doing really well. It's up 66% in the last 7 days. Book of Meme, has done pretty well as well. It's at around a $457 million market cap. So a lot of these projects have the potential, but the thing is that a lot of these projects are competing with dozens of other cat meme coins and dog meme coins. And Slothana is completely unique. It's the only sloth meme coin on Solana's ecosystem. It's really the only one I've seen out of all of the major ecosystems. And for that reason, I think it is a project that I wanted to invest in. I think has some real potential. And I did add some to my portfolio. It's not like I have a huge position in this, but with these sorts of projects, if you get in early, you get into the right ones, you can turn a very small amount like $10, $20, $30 into tens of thousands of dollars. It doesn't happen on every project. And, it's not going to happen every single time at all. But if you're able to identify unique projects that have strong followings, that have, a lot of potential, strong community, well, those are the projects that could lead to some massive returns during a bull market.